wake before the sun. In Sparta, you have no name worth remembering. You are Helot, conquered, enslaved, and outnumbered 7-1. This is not your story. History will forget you, but you are the reason Sparta exists. This is your day. Your name is Demarcus, or it was. The Spartans do not use it. To them, you are simply Helot, the conquered people of Messenia, their living plunder. You were born in this village, like your father, like his father before him. You have never been free. The air is cold. Summer has ended. You pull your single wool cloak tighter, the tribun, and step into the darkness. No shoes. Shoes are for Spartans. The fields wait: wheat, barley, olives. The Spartans train for war. You grow their food. Without you, they starve. Without them, you do not know what you would be. Free, perhaps, or dead. Your hands know this soil better than your own face. The bronze sickle is worn smooth from your father's grip and his father's before. You cut. You bundle. The sun rises over Taygetus Mountains, painting the valley gold. You do not stop to watch. But farming is not your only worry. Once a year, when the autumn nights grow long, Spartan youths slip into the darkness. They are called crypts, the hidden ones. They carry no weapons but their hands. Their training is simple: survive in the wild and kill any helot they find. They call it the Krypteia. You call it surviving until tomorrow. Last year they took your cousin. He was too clever, too proud. You found his body in the olive grove. The Spartans do not bury helots. You dug the grave yourself at night when no one could see. You look over your shoulder more now. You speak less. You survive. Midday. The sun is high and cruel. You sit with 3 others from your village. No names spoken. Names are dangerous. You share barley cake, maza, hard and dry. Water from the leather flask. No wine. Wine is for Spartans. In the valley below, you hear them. The Spartans. Their bronze shields flash in the sun. They drill in perfect lines. You watch them from the corner of your eye. Their strength keeps you enslaved. Their weakness would mean your freedom. You eat quickly. The barley cake sticks in your throat. You are allowed to trade. This surprises some. The Spartans are not fools. They know a dead helot cannot work. So you may sell your surplus, keep some earnings. A clever helot might save enough to buy freedom. You have been saving for 8 years. The bronze coins are hidden beneath the floor of your hut. Not enough. Never enough. But there is hope of a kind. Some helots are freed for service, fighting beside Spartans. Neodemotes they are called. New people. You have seen them in the market. Their eyes are different. Most die in the fields first. This is the mathematics of Sparta. 7 helots for every Spartan. Evening, the sun bleeds into the mountains. You return to your village. Not Spartan, not free, something in between. Your hands are cracked and bleeding. You do not feel it anymore. Your wife, Melissa, tends the small fire. She was born helot too. She is pregnant. 3rd child. The first 2 died. Fever, last winter. You do not speak of them. You eat. Barley cake again. After eating, you tell stories, not of today, of Messenia, the homeland before the conquest. Your grandmother's stories, fertile valleys, freedom. Your children listen. They do not believe you. They have never known anything but this. They learned to bow before they learned to walk. The Helots outnumbered Spartans 7-1. For centuries, this terrified them. The system they built, it was all designed to control this fear. In 464 BC, a massive earthquake struck Sparta. The city crumbled. The Helots rose. For months, they held the mountain stronghold of Ithome, free at last. But the revolt failed. The system held for 300 years, until it didn't. In 371 BC, at Leuctra, the Theban general Epaminondas shattered the Spartan army. He freed the Helots. Messenia was reborn. For the first time in generations, your descendants would know freedom. But that is 40 years from now. Tonight, there is only the fire, the barley cake, and the fear. History remembers the warriors, the kings, the battles. But civilizations are built by those who feed them, by the invisible, the forgotten, the unnamed. Demarcus lived, worked, died. We do not know when or how, but for one day, we walked beside him. If you want more stories from the ground up, the lives history forgot, subscribe. This is Time Awakens POV.